Welcome to a new episode of Immigration Law. I'm Attorney Fabio Loscerbo, and today I'll tell you about a court ruling that speaks of integration, dignity, and justice. On October 17, 2025, the Court of Bologna, specialized section for immigration matters, issued a significant decision. It recognized the right to special protection for a Moroccan citizen who has lived in Italy for more than 10 years. His story mirrors that of many others, a worker who arrived with little, who over the years built a stable life working as a metalworker, attending training courses, and purchasing a home with his wife, who holds a long-term residence permit. Their house, bought through a joint mortgage, symbolizes stability and a shared commitment to their future in Italy. Despite this path of integration, the police headquarters of Ferrara had rejected his request to renew his residence permit for special protection, citing an old criminal record dating back to 2019. But the court overturned that decision, establishing a clear principle: 10 years of integration cannot be erased by a single mistake made long ago. The ruling, recorded under General Register number 832 of the year 2024, refers to Article 19 of the Italian immigration law and Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, emphasizing that the state cannot expel or return a person if doing so would violate their right to private and family life, unless justified by serious reasons of national security or public order. The court stressed that the private life protected by the Convention includes not only family ties but also work, social relationships, language skills, and the daily routines that make a person part of the community where they live. The decision also cites two landmark rulings by the Italian Supreme Court of Cassation, number 2443 of 2021 and number 7861 of 2022, which reaffirmed that special protection covers the entire web of social, emotional, and professional relationships that make up an individual's life in Italy. Another important point concerns the applicable legal framework. Since the application was submitted before the so-called Cutro Decree came into force, the court confirmed that the previous regulation, introduced by the Lamorgese Decree of 2020, still applies. This means that the residence permit granted has a 2-year duration, is renewable, and convertible into a work permit. This decision reminds us of a fundamental truth: integration is not an abstract concept, but a concrete process built on work, language, respect for the law, and human relationships, and such a path deserves protection. In the Italian legal system, special protection plays a crucial role in balancing the public interest with the fundamental rights of the individual. It proves that the law can be humane, fair, and consistent with both constitutional and European values. I'm Attorney Fabio Loscerbo, and this was Immigration Law. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.